This question would fall under the category of basic algebra and is testing our knowledge of the algebraic skills that we kind of learn and use throughout all of high school. But it says, what is the solution set of the equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 3 times x plus 2 minus x? All right, and we see a couple different options in our answers. One is the empty set, which is no solution. Then we have 3 different values. And then this last one, the set of all real numbers. So we'll talk about those in a minute, but let's just show what we need to do algebraically. The left side, there's nothing we need to do yet, so we'll keep that 2x plus 6. The right side, that 3 is being multiplied by both the x and the 2. Sometimes we show that. This is the distributive property by doing 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 2, which is 6. All right, and then we still have this minus x. If I'm showing all these steps here, what we want to do is combine any like terms we have on each side of the equation. This has an x, this is just a constant, so nothing to combine here. But on the right side, 3x minus 1x is 2x. That takes care of those two, and you still have the plus 6. So now what we see is 2x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 6, which means the left side and the right side are the exact same thing. So at this point we could say no matter what we put in for an x value, it's always going to be the same. The left side will equal the right side. If you didn't notice that and you just kind of got into the habit of solving for x, you would subtract 2x from either side, but what you do to one side you have to do to the other. When you do that, you notice that the left side becomes 6 and the right side becomes 6. So 6 equals 6. That statement right there is always true. 6 is 6, and that's another reason why if the left side equals the right side, or if you just have the value set equal to itself, that's going to be the set of all real numbers. Sometimes that's said infinite solutions, meaning no matter what we put in for x, it's going to be the same. All right? If the solution was no solution, it would look something like a value. Let's say it was 8 equals 6. Well, that's never true. And so since that's never true, you would have no solution. Okay? And then these 3 would just be, right, we'd get down to a value that said x equals 0, or x equals 2, x equals 3. But in this case, the left side equals the right side. So our answer is the set of all real numbers. In this case, select answer E.